Yes.
Are you still constructive on equities?
We are. So we've been constructive on equities all year, which felt lonely a few months ago. But I think, there's been a huge change in sentiment over the last few months. But I think the focus is now going to start turning to, 12 months out. At the moment, many price targets that exist on the street are for December of this year. We, along with many others, are putting together our mid-year outlooks at the moment that will see us look through to the summer of next year. And I still think there's upside. I mean, probably less so than we've seen in recent months. But if we were to think about, 5,400, 5,500 on the S&P, over the next 12 months, it's a sort of a range bound to drifting higher, which we think is a constructive environment to be in.
And Grace, what you're so good at is also breaking down sectors.
Yes.
Right. Is this sectors? I know we're expecting NVIDIA a little bit later on, which will be, again, the other national obsession.
Yes.
I think we used to joke that it was like Taylor Swift and NVIDIA that, props up the U.S. economy. But is it going to be, again, AI, and so is there justification and valuation for the Magnificent Seven, or will it shift?
It's a bit of both. I mean, using NVIDIA as an example of the Magnificent Six, I'd call it more broadly. Because of the strength of earnings, you've actually seen, despite tremendous share price gains, you've actually seen some of these stocks getting cheaper because the earnings have surpassed expectations. And I think that will continue. 30% earnings growth for the Magnificent Six this year. That will probably become more like 16% next year. But on the flip side, you've also got the broader S&P, the other 493, going from around 6 to 13. So that's telling you that growth in the Magnificent Six, the tech stocks broadly, is still good, very good. But the rest of the market is catching up. So a broadening across sectors and also likely across market caps. And don't forget non-US markets, where we also think earnings are picking up. And there's really good opportunities in Europe, for example.